Customers look for reviews to inform their buying decisions, which means online reviews are critical to the success of local businesses. In fact, a rating increase of 1 star can boost revenue by 5 to 9%. But it doesn't end there. The most influential factor getting local businesses found on Google is frequent and positive reviews. The challenge is that customers are more likely to leave a review when they've had a negative experience. However, capturing the positive voice is possible. Customers are more likely to share their experience if asked, and if they are provided with a simple way to contribute. That's where we come in. Our powerful feedback tool allows businesses to capture the voice of their customers and use it to improve their virtual doorway. It couldn't be easier. Simply personalize your message and send it to customers soon after the sale, when they're more likely to respond. Real-time tracking gives the insights you need to provide stellar customer service. It's time for you to win online. Get more reviews, get more stars, and close more business. Get started today.